Hi, Julie here, and welcome to a Bird Be Gone video special. When a local high school in the community was under heavy bird pressure, Bird Be Gone donated and installed Bird Spike to exclude the pest birds. With the help of a local authorized installer, Kevin Hearn from Zap Pest Management, we provided our expert product and services to exclude birds from the campus. Today we will be highlighting the process of quoting and bidding a job. In all professional bird work, there are a variety of costs that factor in the final quote for a job. With the help of the Bird Be Gone site evaluation form, you will be able to accurately quote and bid jobs. The following are typical costs which you can expect to estimate for most jobs. Cost of cleanup. This includes the labor and materials involved in the cleanup process. This will also include rental equipment, safety gear, or any debris removal charges. Material costs. These costs are measured via the site evaluation process. Be certain to take accurate measurements. The material costs should include a 10 to 15% markup depending on the value of your installation work. Furthermore, a general rule of thumb is that products and materials are normally 10 to 20% of the total cost of a bird installation job. The cost of labor. This cost varies from region to region and is dependent on the level of expertise required. An average labor cost in the U.S. ranges from $85 to $125 an hour per person. This is typically the most expensive part of the bird job and where challenges develop. Keep in mind, the labor cost estimate of a job may increase due to the extent of the bird problem, greater restrictions on the time of the job, and difficulty of the job. Access equipment and lift costs. These costs are dependent on the location and height at which you will be installing the product. They may include a scissor lift, boom lift, and rolling scaffolding. When renting a piece of equipment, oftentimes the rental company can offer advice for proper selection and provide an estimate for rental, pickup, and drop-off fees. Lastly, miscellaneous costs should be expected to increase your total cost by 5 to 15%. This will account for expenses including travel, additional rental equipment, or any permits that are required. Each of these costs mentioned are common fees that should be considered when building a quote. We hope that this Bird Be Gone video special was helpful, and we look forward to seeing you next time.